that you have fear? How do you identify fear?
Feel something will happen.
Loud, loud.
Something negative will happen.
Something negative will happen. Okay, so how do you know whether this negative will happen or not? Something negative will happen is equal to this is your opinion. Okay, how else does fear show up?
Physical,
Is it?
physical.
Is there any physical harm? Which means it can come up as questions. Okay, and we are going to call it good questions. I'll tell you why good questions, because is there any physical harm is a good question. You want to take precautions. Right? Okay, how else can it show up?
Sudden, unforeseen, sudden impact.
Okay, again you are saying, what if some kind of an impact happens? What if is again a question? What if this happens? What if that happens? What if I fail? What if I go wrong? What if I make a mistake? What if I die? Right? What if I get into an accident? It is better I don't even drive. There are so many people who have never learned to drive because they think that what if I get into an accident? There are so many people like that. Okay, so all your what ifs you should change to so what? Okay, how else can it come?
Physical changes in your body.
Physical changes in your body. Yeah, raise in the heartbeat. Okay, so which means your body is going to show. Okay, which means heartbeat. Okay, I'm writing all this side. Okay, because this side is related to the mind and this side is related to the body. Okay, we'll try to relate both of them, or we'll also try and separate both of them. Okay, yeah. How else? What else? How else? Sometime ago we wrote something, yeah? Any financial act, yeah. So what is this? Okay. So it can be what if also. Okay. It can also be a doubt. In the form of a doubt. Okay. Yeah. What else? When somebody comes in late, what happens? Automatically? No, I will never say anything. I will never ask you why are you late. Yeah, he will start giving
Explanation.
what do you call that? No,
Banana.
they are called as reasons. But actually, they are good reasons. Right? So fear does not show up, it comes up as doubts, it comes up as opinions. Okay. But actually what happens, here, they're all wearing a mask. They're all wearing a mask called as beliefs. Over a period of time, we start believing in this. I told you people have not learned to drive because they think that they will get into an accident. Right? They started believing that and they never learned to drive. Imagine this is stopping you from moving ahead in life. It is stopping you from learning something. It is stopping you from growing. It is stopping you from so many aspects of life. Right?